Hi everyone, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Clear Cut Concepts. So already we have started reasoning series. Today's topic is sitting arrangement. It is the fifth topic. So it is an interesting topic and then little bit difficult. If you understand means you can do more better. So more number of questions we need to solve. Then it will be familiar for us, I think. It will help for us making too fast. Okay, so that is my suggestion. So I selected 32 questions here because only 4 or 5 questions we can't do or we can't understand better. Okay, so if we solving more questions, it will make you for better conclusion. We can make it fast. So first subscribe my channel. It energizes me to making more such videos. Okay, dear teachers. And then those are preparing whatever the exam may be. So this concept is very important to all competitive exams. Okay. So let's get started. So before starting the sitting arrangement, we must know three things. Okay. So this is sitting arrangement may be in the straight line, okay, or in the circle. Two possibility only. Okay, it is on the straight line. Okay, so some of them sitting right to this person or left to this person, like that means we are always taking the person sitting on the straight line means they are facing the north. That is important. Direction is not given. At the time we must take the persons are facing north. Okay, that is important. Generally we are taking north facing. Okay, so this is the directions: east, west, north, south. So we are always taking, they are under linear means they are taking facing the north. Second, one more thing is they are sitting right to this person, left to this person means we could do. And then one more point is diagonally opposite. The word is we can see in the questions. Diagonally opposite. What is it meaning? Suppose two parallel line. A is diagonally opposite to B means A is this end means B is this end. Diagonally opposite. So or A may be here or B is here. If A is here means B may be here. So this is the diagonally opposite. Okay. This represents diagonally opposite form. So come to the circular sitting here. So every time we decided every person facing at the center. Okay. Generally we are taking the persons facing at the center. Suppose A is sitting here, B is sitting here, C, D, E means every person facing at the center. So one thing is there, right. Right means what is, who is sitting right of B means we are taking the anti-clockwise direction. This is fixed. Anti-clockwise direction for right. So suppose I want to sit right side of B. Right of B means move to the anti-clockwise. This is the clockwise. Clock is moving like that. That is the clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. So I am going to sit here. Okay. So anti-clockwise direction you have to mention if you want to sit or make them sit at the right of some person. Okay. Right. And then left. Okay. If you want to place someone, P, at the left of C. Okay. Left of C. Left means you always take clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. This is a shortcut way. Okay, every time we no need to think. Okay, where is right, where is left. Right means anti-clockwise direction. Left means clockwise direction. So P should be here. P is sitting left of C. Okay. So these are the three things we need to keep in our mind. So our question number 1 to 5. Read the following information given below and answer the following. So first we have to arrange it. Total 5 sentences are given. Okay. So suppose we are assuming somewhere, it may change further. That is we could understand it. Okay. Because Meenal is at one end, something may be changed the pairs. Okay. So according to the question, we need to change every time. Okay. So a total 10 people, 5 men, 5 women are sitting in the 2 parallel lines. Okay, 2 parallel lines. These 2 are parallel lines. Facing each other. Okay, 5 men, Ajit, Bharat, Chirag, Dharam and Isas are facing south. So what is our direction? East, west, north, south. 5 men are facing south. So these are men's. Okay, facing south. These things. Okay, men's are facing south. And then women facing towards north. These are women. Women are sitting here. So they are facing north means which is at left and which one is right. This is their right, left. This is left, right. Do you understand it? Suppose I am sitting here facing towards the north. What is my left? This is my left. This is my right. Suppose I am sitting here facing the south means it should be my right and this is my left. Okay, that is the meaning. Marked it. Come to the question. Bharat, who is just next to the left of Dharam. So Dharam is here. Dharam is here. Bharat is who is next to the left. Left means that side. Already we have mentioned here. So it will be easy for us. Bharat is left of Dharam, opposite to Arpita. This is Arpita. Opposite to Arpita. Chirag and Neelu are diagonally opposite to each other. So diagonally means already I explained end. Okay, diagonally opposite each other. So 1 minute. So I am rubbing this one because we need a space. Okay, here I am writing these are men, sorry, that is a plural, no? Men, this is women. Okay, so Chirag and Neelu diagonally opposite to each other. So Chirag, Neelu, maybe like that or maybe like that. There are 2 possibilities. Okay, okay. Isas is opposite to Activa, who is just next to Meenal. So we don't know where they are. So suppose roughly we have to write here. Isas is a boy or girl? Boy. Okay. Isas is opposite to Activa. Okay. And then who is next to the Meenal? Activa is next to Meenal. So Meenal may be here or here. We don't know. Next to. It must be here only. Okay. Next to Meenal. Okay. This only. Preeti, who is just to left of Arpita. Arpita we placed here. Preeti, who is just to the left of Arpita. Arpita's left. So this. Left of Arpita, Preeti. Left of Arpita is opposite to Dharam. Opposite to Dharam. Yes, correct only. Opposite to Dharam. Meenal is at one end of the line. Now we got a clue. Meenal is one end. Meenal is a one end. So, Meenal is here at the end, not a Neelu. So this is wrong. We can't put C here. C must be here this end. C and we can write it bold. Okay. Meenal is at one end of the line. This is one end. Okay. Already we have pointed here E and O. E O, because Olivia is next to Nina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%. Okay. So first we assume like that is C and N, and then further we changed it. Okay. So total 5 lines we completed. Anything may be changed. Okay. Now it is a correct position. C E D B L, and then this is left. Anyone left here? This is left. 1, 2, 3, 4%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%. So who is left here? Ajit. Because he is diagonally, means at the end only. We can't add here. So Ajit must be here. Ajit must be here. Okay. So we make it a clear diagram. C E D B A Ajit. Okay, this is extended, this left side, this is right side. Then we can easily answer. Okay. First one is M, O, Preeti, Arpita, and then Neelu. So this is they are right side, left side, right side. Now we easily answer the questions. Okay, what is the first question? Which two people are sitting at the two extreme of the line? Which two person extreme of the line? Check whether. So these two are at the extreme, Ajit and Chirag. Who is sitting right in front of Dharam? In front. Front means Preeti. Preeti is sitting. Okay. So here in front of whom only? So Preeti. Third one, who is it exactly between Meenal and Neelu? So many are sitting, we can't give particular name. So can't be determined. Come to the next question. Who is its opposite to active? It's a direct question. It's given only. Vijay. Next one. Who is sitting the right corner of the woman's line? Woman's line, who is sitting? Neelu. Check from the diagram. Okay. So this is the first question we completed. Okay. Come to the next one. Read the information given below. Answer the following following it. In a coaching institute, 7 students, both girls and boys, sit on 3 different benches at star and slash. Okay. So 3 different benches. Okay. Benches 1, 2, 3 different benches. First one is name is at. Second one is star, and then third one is slash. Each bench must have at least 2 students, so minimum 2. Okay, minimum 2. At least one girl must be, one girl should be there. One girl, minimum one girl. So total is 7 students. So 2 plus 2 plus 3, something like that we need. Because minimum 2, each bench must have at least 2. So 2 say start, 2 plus 1, it may be 3. Okay, any one of the bench may be 3, and then rest of the 2 only. Okay. X, who is a girl, does not sit with Y, Z, T. So X is a girl, we don't know where she is sitting. This is slash. X is a girl, does not want to sit with Y, Z, T. Okay. S is a boy, student, sit with only M. S only with M. Okay. S and M sitting on the one bench. Which bench we don't know. Y sits on the bench at. Okay, Y. Here. Y sits on the bench at with his best friends. Not a single friend, with his best friends. So two are there. So already mentioned here, they are friends. So here they are friends. The girl is not sitting with them. So these three may be sit in the one bench. Okay, Y, Z, T. Y is already in the at the bench. So Z and T also in the first bench. H is sit in the slash. Okay. And then this one is given. S is sit with M. So we can't put it here. Because minimum 2 should be in the each bench. So S and M must be in the star bench. So what is left here? X only. So this is the arrangement. Okay. So we have to eliminate the chances. That is important in the seating arrangement. Nothing else. Okay. We have to eliminate. What are the possibilities? X may be here. No, not possible. So X may be here. Maybe. But H will be in the single line. So it won't be, because minimum 2 must be in each bench. So X must be in the third only. Okay. So now we can answer the following question. Once we arrange means the question will be very easy. Which of the following pair of students form the correct set of sitting in the bench? Star. Star S and M only. H sits bench along with X. Okay. Next, which is given representation at who is sitting at it? Y, Z, T. Z, T. Okay. And then at the star, which has 3 students sitting on it. 3 benches. Of the 3 benches at the star, which bench has 3 students? The first one at M is sit along with M. On which bench? Star. Okay. Answering the question will be easy. We have to arrange it properly. Okay. Come to the next question. So read the data given below based on the answer the questions. Okay. Okay. This is the circular arrangement. So some names are given. 6 girls' names are given. Pooja, P, Q, R, S, T, V. These are the names. Pooja, Umait, Richi, Sweta, Tejaswini, Vinita. These are the names. Okay. All of them are facing towards the center of the circle. Okay. This is the circle. Center of the circle. Center. It is mentioned here. Otherwise, we are always taking they are facing center of the circle. Tejaswini is not sitting between White and Sweta. Okay. Somewhere White and Sweta. Tejaswini is not sitting in between them. Okay. But someone else in the group. Okay. Maybe someone. Pooja sits to the left of Vinita. Already we told right means clockwise direction. Left means anti-clockwise direction. Left means anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So Pooja sits left of Vinita, anti-clockwise direction. So this is Vinita means this must be Pooja. Pooja sits the left of Vinita. Okay. And then any other clue? Riti is fourth to the right of Pooja. Fourth to the right. So from Pooja, Vinita is in the, Riti is in the fourth to the right of Pooja. Right means clockwise or anti-clockwise? Rita. Okay, one correction is there. Right means anti-clockwise. Already explained right. They are sitting here means right side. Right side. Right side means move to anti-clockwise. Left side means clockwise direction. Okay, what is the question? Riti is fourth to the right of Pooja. This is Pooja. Fourth to the right. 1, 2, 3, fourth. Okay, someone is sitting. Fourth to the right. Okay. One person is not mentioned here, so it may be here T. Okay, then only we will get in the fourth position. We can't put here because it is given Tejaswini is not sitting in between them. Okay, and then they is in the right, Vinita is in the right, and then fourth position we need to make it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is in the fourth. So 3 plus 3, 6% we managed it. Okay. Then we can answer easily. Who sits second to the? Here it is Kumait and Sweta. We are arranged here. So it may be changed. Okay. Sweta may be here and Kumait may be here. One more point we need to add here. Okay. Nothing condition is given. So we have a chance. Okay. So S may be here, Q may be here, or Q or S. Like that. This is put a slash, and that meaning is there is an option in between them. Who sits second to the Vinit? Who sits second? That's why I am telling. Sweta or Kumit? We don't know. So answer is either 3 or 4. Okay, nothing is given. Says right, left. Right, left given means particularly we can mention. Here we randomly give the position. Therefore, the answer is fifth one. Okay, answer is option this is both. Who is sitting opposite to Preeti? So here 1 2 position, 1 2 position. Vinita is sitting. Okay, if you are arranging properly means opposite means right 2%, left 2%, and the middle one is V. So Vinita. Come to the next question. Who sits second to the right of Pooja? Second to the right of Pooja. Second. Okay. So Tejaswini. Next, give me the answer for the next question. You can predict the answer. Who sits exactly between Sweta and Kumit? So that is a direct question. So what is the answer for 15th one? Who sits the second to the left of Pooja? Find out it from the figure. Yes, the answer is correct. Richi. Okay. Like that we need to find. Come to the next question. 16 to 21. Study the data given below and answer the following question. Okay. So exhibition 7 brands have put up their stalls. Okay. Each of the stalls are facing east. So these are the stalls facing east. East direction is given. Okay. So which one is right? If they are facing this side means this is my left, not mine, theirs. This is left, this is right. Okay, total 7 stalls are there. Okay. Is it interesting? Yes, it is interesting, I hope. Okay. Tina, Biba, Landmark. So these are the names. Okay, we always take the first letter. Okay. Zara and Reebok. So Titan is next to the right of Reebok. So suppose Reebok is here. Titan is next to the right. Right. This is Titan. Adidas is between Biba and Zara. So we don't know where it is. So roughly we are writing here. Adidas is between Biba and Zara. Maybe like that, okay? Or Zara may be here or Biba may be here. There is a possibility, you know. Therefore, roughly we are making here. So we can get the clue from the next line. Adidas is between Biba and Zara. Okay. Landmark is which to the third to the left of Biba. Third to the left. Suppose Biba is here. Third left. 1, 2, 3. This is the left direction and left already we mentioned. So this is landmark. Okay, landmark. So landmark which is third to the left of Biba and it is at one end. This is the end. Okay. So Biba is here. Next Reebok is here. This is the end also. So where is Adidas and Zara? So Biba is here means Zara must be here. Adidas is here. Okay. Zara, Adidas and Biba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the one end means what about the other end? Whose name left here? Puma. Simple question. This is the arrangement. Now we can answer the question. Which of the given pair is correct for brands displayed at the two end of the line? Two end, Reebok and Landmark. Okay. Next question. Which brand is displayed immediately to the right of Titan? Who is immediately? Puma. Right side, no? Next. Zara is to immediate left of? Immediate left of? Adidas. Okay. Give me the answer for next question. 19th one. Which brand is being displayed exactly in between Biba and Titan? Give me the answer. In being displayed exactly between Biba and Titan. Reebok. Yes. 20th question. Which brand is being displayed towards the immediate right of Titan? Immediate right. So Puma. Next. Puma has put up the stall immediately right to the which brand? So Titan. Okay. Come to the next question. Here it is given some detail again. It's so interesting, I think. Yeah. Read the information given below carefully and answer the following question. Okay, 11 friends. Wow. Manish, Nitin, Om, Piyush, Suresh, Ritesh, Satish, Tarun. Okay, some names are given. We are taking first letter only. Okay, first row of the stadium watching the football. They are sitting in the first row watching the football. So always direction is not given means we are seeing the north direction. They are facing the north direction. Okay. What is the condition given? To the immediate left of. So which one is left? Which one is right? Any idea? Yes. This is left. This is right. Okay. Okay. So if they are sitting like that means they are facing this side means this is right. This is left. Okay. So the immediate left of Piyush is Tarun. Left of Piyush is Tarun. So suppose Piyush is here. Left of Piyush is Tarun. Okay, this point is clear. Tarun is the third to the right of Utkarsh. Third to the right. So two person is here. This is Utkarsh. Third right. Okay. Varun is the immediate neighbor of Manish and Nitin. Okay, Manish. Immediate neighbor of Varun is the immediate neighbor of Manish and Nitin. Varun is immediate neighbor of Manish and Nitin. Okay. And third to the left of Satish. So Satish, where is Satish? We don't know. But left of is given, so we can make it here. So somewhere Satish is there. So rough column, we make the rough column. Here reading the other steps, we could find. Okay. So Varun is between M and N. Okay. And then Varun is third to the left of Satish. Left means third to the left. 1, 2, 3. Third to the left of Satish. Okay. Manish is the second to the right of Q. Manish is the second to the right. Okay. Who is at the one end? Now we got the two. Q is at the one end. So end we find out. Q. Manish to the second right of second right. One person is here, Manish is here. So if you know Manish means Varun, we can put in between. Yeah, now we clear. This is N. Okay. Varun is between M and N. Okay. Ritesh is sitting immediate right of Piyush. Immediate right. This side. Ritesh. Okay. Ritesh is sitting immediate right. And any other missing this one. S and V we know. In between 2 place 2 place 2, this must be S. Okay. So Q, and then which one? This is Manish. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 friends. Okay, what about next one? Anyone left? 2 person are left here. Om. Om is to the second left of Piyush. Piyush is here. One position is here. So it must be Om. Good. Only one person left. Who is that? Wasim. So we are writing here Wasim. Okay. So do it roughly. 2-3 sentence I make it roughly. Before that I am also made like this in the same line. I cancelled it and then again I point out it will confuse. Okay. So after doing more questions I understood. Okay. Because each and every line gives us a clue. Somewhere we can get the answer. Okay. So write it roughly and make one rough 2 columns, right? Okay, and then change it and then final one put it here. This is our correct answer. Now we can give the answer. Who sits the third to the right of Satish? Third to the right. Right means this side. 1, 2, 3. Piyush. What is the position of Nitin with respect to Utkarsh? Nitin with respect to Utkarsh. Immediate left, this side. Good. Give me the answer for next question. Who among the 11 friends sitting on the extreme end? See the figure and give me the answer. Extreme end. Who among the 11 friends is sitting on the extreme right side? This one last. So we notice Ritesh. Who sits exactly Piyush and Om? Piyush and Om Tarun. Okay. Who is the third from the left end of the line? Third from the left end of the line. Manish. See the figure and give me the answer. Okay. 27. Who is sitting from the right end of the line? Sagesh. 50. From the right, Sagesh. Okay. Come to the next question. Last one. Study the information given below. Following questions. Okay. 8 friends. Here there are 8 friends. Okay. Namely, they are some Kashish, Anamika, Amrita, Kansha, Tina, Yurka, Vanshika. Okay. These are sitting round the circular table. Okay. They are sitting round the circular table. Accepted. It is round. Okay. Kashish is, they are facing at the center. Okay. Kashish is second to the right of Trina. So already we know. This is right. Right means anti-clockwise direction. Left means clockwise direction. Okay. The question is, Kashish is second to the right of Trina. Kashish is this one. Second to the right of Trina. So I am making here. So Kashish is here. Kashish is second to the right of Trina. Right means this side. Here Trina. Second to the right. Okay, correct. Next, who is the neighbor of Amrita and Vanshika? Who is the neighbor of Amrita and Vanshika? China. Kashish is second to the right of Trina. Amrita and Vanshika are neighbors of Trina. So Amrita and Vanshika. Because Vanshika may be here or here. Okay, neighbor only given, right or left not given. So further if you know, we can cut it. Okay. And then Vanshika is the neighbor of Yuvika. So Vanshika must be here. Okay. So not is A, Vanshika. Here it is Yuvika. This is Amrita. This is Amrita. Okay. Amrita. What is left? 1, 2, 3, 4 person we engaged. Only 2 positions are left. Because immediate neighbor is given, so it won't change. Okay, there is a neighbor, not changed. Rena is the second left, not changed. No one in between them. Only 2 positions are left. Okay. Okay. Anamika is not between Akansha and Tisha. Anamika is not between Akansha and Tisha. Okay, we can't get any idea from here. Next line. Tisha is not between Yuvika and Akansha. So Tisha is not between Yuvika and Yuvika is here. Suppose I am putting Tisha. Akansha is here. So Tisha is not between these two. So Tisha is not here. So Tisha must be here. Okay. Tisha is not between Yuvika and Akansha. Okay. Tisha does not sit next to Kashish. Tisha is not sit to Kashish. Okay, not possible. Okay. Not next to Kashish. Okay. So only possibility is, where is Tisha? This must be Anamika. Okay, next to Kashish is Anamika. Okay. Tisha is not between Yuva and Akansha. Yuva and Akansha. So not between Yuva. So one more point we make it here. Anamika is in between them. Next Tisha is correct. This one is correct position. This is Akansha. I am making here again. Okay. So little bit tricky question. I am explaining again. Okay. So this is the circular position. First one is Kashish is second to the right of Trina. Trina is here. 1, 2, Kashish is here. Okay, clear. Because why I am showing this one is, we need so much possibilities. You have to put and cut the option. That's why I am showing here. This is not correct, not like that. Okay, this is correct only. We need options. Okay, put there, and then if the condition is not satisfied, further condition is not satisfied means you have to cancel it. Okay. That is, this portion is also important. Okay, Tina is the second. Tina. Okay. Who is the neighbor of Amrita and Vanshika? We got it here, Amrita. Here, Vanshika. And Yuvika is the first line is over. Okay. Akansha is not a neighbor of Kashish. Not a neighbor. So he may be somewhere here. Akansha. Not a neighbor. Total how many friends? 8 friends. Okay. 4 are mentioned here. 4 more friends is there. So Akansha is not a neighbor of Kashish means Akansha is not here. Okay. Only 3 possibility for Akansha. Vanshika is the neighbor of Yuvika. So Vanshika is the neighbor of Yuvika. So only 3 possibilities are there. For Akansha, these 2 only. Okay. Anamika is not between Akansha and Diksha. Suppose Akansha is here. This here means Diksha must be. Anamika is not between these 2. So they may be in the corner. Okay, already he is not here. Diksha is not the Yuvika and Akansha. Disha is not next to. Disha is not also possibility. Not possible because it is given. Not sit to Kashish. So Diksha is not given here. Not. Akansha. Akansha is not possible. Diksha is not possible here. And then only one person, Anamika. Only possibility is Anamika. And then these 2. Disha is between, not between Yuvika and Akansha. Suppose Akansha here means Diksha must be here. So that is not possible. So Diksha is here. And then Akansha is here. Okay. These are the way. Come to the question. Who is sitting exactly opposite to Anamika? Now you can answer. Opposite means 3% right, 3% left, and then direct. Anamika. Opposite to Anamika. Vanshika. Here it is Anamika. Okay. I'm giving the answer. Check it once. Okay. How many people sit between Diksha and Vanshika? Only 2 people. Minimum we are always taking. Okay. Suppose you are counting this side. Okay. Clock side means a 4 person. We are not counting. Minimum only acceptable. Who sit third to the right of Yuvika? Vanshika. Who is exactly between Akansha and Yuvika? 31. No one. And 32. Who sits immediate right of Amrita? Passes. Okay. I hope it's clear. So what is it? You need to do is once read the question, make an answer by own. Okay, and check the answer. If there is anything mistake means how we put the answer and then check it the answer. Okay. So I hope it's clear. So subscribe my channel. Once again I am telling again and again because only 4% of viewers only subscribed already. Remaining 96% are viewing only. Okay. So subscribe my channel. It helped me to making more such videos. Thank you once again all the best.